Hi friends, welcome everybody. Now we are going to discuss about Bootstrap 4. Short and sweetly I will say some classes, commonly using classes. I have created a template to explain for time purpose. I have created a template and let me explain how to use in Bootstrap 4. Wait. First let me open in our browser. Okay. It's opened. Now first what is Bootstrap 4? Before seeing that, let me explain what is Bootstrap 4. First it is a Bootstrap CSS. You have minified the CSS, it have a bunch of CSS and set a class for that. We can use this class directly in our site according to our requirements. And this is a jQuery. Without this jQuery link, this link will not work because it is a Bootstrap JS JavaScripts. They will return some bunch of codes for functionalities like pop-up, drop down for that, like that. You have to make sure you have linked the pop-up in JS, then only the drop down pop-up will work. That be careful in this. And you can view the source page like this. It's linked correctly or not. Okay. Now control plus slash is for comment in Sublime. It is a tips. You may know that already. Okay, let me check. I am putting first BG dark. If you want background color for your website, you can use BG primary. It will display blue color. Let me check. Okay, it will display blue color. If you want other color, you can use BG warning. It will display orange like color. Okay, it will display orange like color. Like this, it has BG dark will display dark color, BG success, BG primary warning secondary, and also you can say BG info. It will display light blue color. Let's check this class, all the classes. If you want more reference, go to W3 schools. Go to W3 schools Bootstrap 4. Just type it. It will give a tutorial for Bootstrap 4. It will say for containers and for colors, cards, task classes like this. You can also add text muted, text primary, text success. These are the colors defaultly Bootstrap have, so you can refer this site. Okay, now check this class. Okay, generally we will put a container. Container is nothing. See, it's displaying in Edge at your browser. It's not good. Okay, so now let me put a container. And check. It will create a space on left and right. So in each and every device it will space left and right according to device size. So it's look good because right side and left side will create some space. It's pretty good. You can also use container fluid. You may think more if you want little gap, you can give a container fluid. Then create a little gap on left and right side. Okay, but I am using container. It will display center properly. Align every element at center correctly. And if you want this text white color or dark anything, you can use text white. It is a Bootstrap default class. It will display text white color. It's working like that. You have some classes text white, text success primary. You can check it more over. If you want this text center, just say text center. It will align this text center. Okay, see, center the text. If you want a text right side, you can may define right it will display right side. Okay, this is the classes. And let me check button classes. I am using button primary. It is a default class. Display button blue color. See, displaying button. I need a space at the bottom. For that also it Bootstrap a default class. I am giving margin bottom 5. Up to 5 you can give, 6 is not available. 5 will create a some large space. If you want a small space, you can define 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. If for example I am giving 3, then it will create a small space. I am giving 5 only now. Like that it has margin top. For margin top you have to put empty 5. If you want every side margin means you can simply display M5. Like that classes are available. If you want right and left side only means you can say MX. If you want top and bottom, then you can display MY5. Like that classes are available. This is not only for margin only, it also available for padding. If I putting PY5, then check, it will padding 5 on top and bottom. If I say PX5 means, see, it will display like this, padding on right and left. Let me do MB4 and margin bottom 4 we have given for. Like this padding margin top will work. Okay, then we check about images. What are the classes used in image? Generally this image is not responsive. Let me check this. See, like this scroller coming. So if you have a scroller in x-axis, it is unresponsive. So if you have to make, in order to make image responsive, you have to put a image fluid, mg fluid. Now reload the browser. See, the scroller is hidden because this image automatically resized according to the viewports in mobiles, according to device size. So that is the purpose we are using image fluid. These are the basic classes generally used in Bootstrap 4. In another video we will check our grid classes generally used in Bootstrap 4. Grid is nothing, a small introduction. Grid is nothing. It will create a separate columns, rows and columns. So in each and every device we can separate styles for that each and every device. It is work like that. Thank you. Bye.